Mechanic who goes by the name Scary shot and succumbed to his injuries on the job in Ocho, Rios, St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police investigators have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a mechanic in Ocho, St. Anne on Wednesday. The deceased is identified as Shadwin Gale, alias Scary of Jacks River in St. Mary. Reports are that at around 8:30 p.m., Gale was working on a motor vehicle near a garage along the Milford Road when he was pounced upon by an armed man who opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. Gale was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.